What's your name?
Iowa.
I'm Leslie. May I pick her up? Sure.
We want to have a family of our own. What have I done wrong?
You've done nothing wrong, Mrs. Brown. And my partner and I have been working on solutions for some time now, but we feel we're near a breakthrough in our experiments. You know, I mean, goodness, Robert, you've come through the middle and you've done it!
I have done it, and so have you, mate.
Yes.
Both of you. We did it
Just
together.
true.
And
Well, you led the way. You've absolutely led the way.
Yes, please hold on one moment. Dr. Edwards?
A phone call from Life magazine, sir.
There we go. Celebrity status has started.
just
This is Robert speaking.
This is Chris from Life magazine. Have you read my article about your first successful fertilization of a human egg in a test tube?
I'm reading.
Your experiments create wrenching changes in the nature of ties that bind one human being to another. Radically different meanings for old words and acts. Sex and love, for instance. Perhaps even the end of institutions, such as marriage and the family. What do you think of the public sentiment that your study is morally wrong?
I believe this would bring hope to thousands upon thousands of infertile couples, and could also have other benefits to the rest of mankind. Patrick. The Medical Research Council denied their application of funds.
Well, that's hugely disappointing. I mean, have they said why?
Dr. Steptoe, it's time for your next operation, sir.
Okay, Bob. In a couple of hours, yeah?
We need to prove that our research can be successful for infertile couples to have their own babies.
The pregnancy test is positive!
Are you sure?
Absolutely, yes!
It's marvelous. It's really marvelous! We did it!
We did it!
We did it!
We did it!
Yeah.
You deserve tremendous recognition for this, Robert. I've got to say. Look, don't you?
Oh,
Come to
I can't believe it.
Oh, no.
you did it.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's all right.
You did it.
We did it.
sorry to have to tell you that it was an ectopic pregnancy. I'm sorry.
Linda. Talk to the doctor. Can we try again, doctor? Thank you. Okay.
Are you Mrs. Leslie Brown and Mr. John Brown?
Yes. We want to have a family of our own.
And my partner and I have been working on solutions for some time now, but we feel we're near a breakthrough in our experiments. Her pregnancy was successful. Journalists from newspapers, magazines, television, and radio from around the world anxiously awaited 38 weeks and 5 days for any kind of information they could get on this miracle pregnancy. Some journalists illegally paid for our confident patient information from members of the hospital staff. To make the situation worse, she had the risk of toxemia. Leslie read in a local paper false speculations about the possible death of her baby. The newspaper's speculative report had been based on information given to them by one of their hospital spies. I had decided to deliver the baby on July the 25th, 1978. To avoid a media frenzy, the baby was to be delivered secretly at night. The nursing staff were unaware of when the delivery would occur. Even Mr. John Brown wasn't told of his child's pending birth until about 2 hours before the delivery. The new baby continued to cry as we all listened to that glorious sound.
Mr. Brown, you may go see your baby daughter now.
What did you say? Do you mean I'm your father?
Yes.
I'm father! I'm father! I'm the father! I'm father! I'm father, little baby girl! Me! Oh, wait! Maybe I should go kiss my wife! Where's my wife? Where's my wife? Honey! I'm little baby girl!
I'm Göran Hansson, Secretary of the Nobel Assembly and Nobel Committee. The Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institute has today decided to award the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2010 to Robert Edwards for the development of in vitro fertilization.
During IVF,
Robert was really an extraordinary man. I'm proud to be his partner. It was his brain, skill, and perseverance which had led to the wonderful moment of achievement, the birth of Louise Brown 32 years ago. IVF has brought approximately 4 million babies and many parents into this world. Although there are still moral and ethical disagreements, today we celebrate his award.
Isla, he truly deserves the Nobel Prize, doesn't he?
Oh, indeed.
the world's first test tube baby, the infant was the first child born through the then revolutionary procedure known as in vitro fertilization, or IVF. Today, Louise Brown is 32, alive and well. Seen here celebrating a recent birthday with Robert Edwards. She conceived her own child naturally in 2007.